Cells, the building blocks of life. Since the invention of the microscope, biologists have been probing the secrets of the cell. For the first 300 years, progress was slow. The inner workings of cells were simply too small to be studied critically. But with improvement in optics, coupled with the development of the electron microscope, the cell began to yield its secrets. No mysterious protoplasm here, but rather an incredibly complex, highly organized, and tightly controlled chemical factory.
Day and night, in steady rhythm, there operates within the human body a marvelous machine, the heart. The heart is purely a muscular pump, which maintains the circulation of our life's blood. Note the efficient system of heart valves. The force that starts each beat lies within the heart itself.
Each cell is a self-contained living unit, which becomes modified and specialized as it develops and is integrated into the body's systems. The nucleus controls the overall activity of the cell. The cell nucleus, a spherical structure, contains the basic genetic material, deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, in the form of chromosomes.
What you are about to see is DNA's most extraordinary secret. The innermost workings of how a simple code is turned into flesh and blood. This is what Francis Crick called the central dogma of modern biology: how DNA makes protein. It starts with a bundle of factors assembling at the start of a gene. It's these that trigger the first phase of the process, reading off the information that will be needed to make the protein. Everything's ready to roll. 3, 2, 1. It's unzipping the double helix and copying one of the 2 strands. And snaking out of the top is a copy of the genetic message, and it's made of a close chemical cousin of DNA called RNA. Then, in a dazzling display of choreography, all the components of another molecular machine lock together around the RNA to form a miniature factory called a ribosome. And after a few seconds, the assembled protein starts to emerge from the ribosome. You are watching this process in real time. It's happening right now in almost every cell in your body.